This here is your school.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. How hono children da do? Who this ya in the picture?
Hey. Wow!
It looks like you, ma'am.
That is Suzie Baker, who was born on August 6, 1848, in Liberty County, Georgia, in the Gullah/Geechee Nation. Do any of you live with your grandma?
Yeah!
Hannah loved to read. Suzie learned to read at Black underground schools. She loved reading and math. She learned to write too.
At 14, she was the first Gullah/Geechee teacher to openly educate freed people in Georgia. She left St. Simon's Island to go to Port Royal in South Carolina during the Civil War.
She married Union soldier Edward King. So, she is Suzie King.
We have a Gullah Geechee Queen Annie.
Yes. This is Suzie King Taylor.
A tailor? Like sewing clothes?
That is her last name. She was an author and nurse.
My grandma was a nurse.
Read her book with your grandma.
Tanky, tanky.
Hunno children know who we be.
We be Gullah Geechee anointed people.
All right, let's take our books and go read under the big oak tree by the river.